guys, today we're going to be making a pop-up card. Let's get started. You need a sheet of paper. You need a sheet of paper. It could be colored paper or plain paper, and also scissors. Okay, for real, let's get started. Oh my God. Okay, so let me just. Okay, so the first step you're gonna do is you're gonna fold the paper in half. Like that. Make sure you line up the lines before you push. And then do the other side. Like Anya and like me. That's my blue paper. Okay, let's move on. So the next step you're gonna do is you're gonna unfold it. Unfold it. Okay. And then, okay. Then how do we do this? After that, you're not gonna fold. You're gonna fold it. Don't fold it completely. Just fold it a little bit, so you could cut in the middle. So we're gonna make a little cut with our scissors. That's when you grab our scissors. Yeah. I'm gonna make a little cut, and then we're going to cut along the line. If you saw that, I cut here and here. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more time in time lapse. That was really fast, the time lapse. But what I did there is I cut here and here. And after you're done with that, you're going to see the fold in the middle. Yeah. You're going to get that up. And then you're going to fold it again. This. And you're going to use that fold, and then you're going to use one more fold. And then use one more fold. Then you have a lot of folds. Okay, I'm gonna be back. Woo! Wait, what? Oh, woo! So I'm back, and this is what I did to make it pop up a little bit. I just filled the part again, and then unfold it, fold it, and then this part again. You're not going to take that part though, and then unfold it. This is where you're going to stick your character. So let's see, we could do a flower pot. Okay, so it can't be that big though, because if yours is big, you could do a big one, but mine is small, so I'm going to do this big of a flower pot.
Well, I'm not doing a pop-up, I'm doing a flat. Again. I was doing a flap in my video, you remember that video?
So if it doesn't work, if you're like kind of stuck, just tell me and ask questions, and then tell me what you did, and then I'll correct you. But this is what it should look like. So I want to do the flower pot stem and flower. All right, I'll see you back. So after you're done doing your flower or anything else, any character, then you could tape it and glue it on to that. Okay? So, and then you can make lots of those. You can make a moon, you can make a sun, anything, but I'm just gonna go with that. And then look, watch. Close it. Close it. Right. And then when I open it, so I'm gonna close it. Don't close it all the way. And I'm gonna open it. Ta-da, you have to help it.
It's a pop-up flower. Okay, so
That's how you make a pop-up card. I'm gonna show you all the ones that I did. I did, and I'll be right back.